videos. Please don't share his videos.
मित्र असे मित्र पाहिजे की आयुष्याला ना फुल सगळे लागून जातात एकदा.
थोडे
I request all of you, please don't please unsubscribe the channel if you have already subscribed it.
and report.
Yeah, and if you have subscribed and you can take this is the reaction for time.
एनी रिझन
He forget my birthday.
The best friend never forget birthday, but these two fellows.
He is my
Every
Lagoon.
year they forgot my birthday and post my birth date. They call me to ask me when was your birthday. So especially this feeling really hurts me.
It's very
Yeah.
painful.
मित्रांनो कधी लक्षात ठेवा
Certainly taking
कोणाचा तुम्ही एक वेळ गर्लफ्रेंडचा बर्थडे विसरला तरी चालेल, फक्त मित्राचा बर्थडे कधी विसरू नका. तर मग असं ऐकायला मिळतं.